Good morning, guys. Our topic for today is about how to inspect footing prior to casting concrete. Do you know that in the construction of a building, the most important part is the foundation? And one of these foundations are called isolated footing because it bears the full load of the building, but there are many types of foundation that we have considered and used, which depends on the strata below the building or structure. A quality engineer or a civil engineer should thoroughly inspect the footing before it can be poured with concrete, like the photos here, right? As you can see, there is one QQC engineer there and consultant. The footing is being inspected, right? All right, so please watch item number 7. That is the most important step on this procedure. I think this is the last part of this procedure. If you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing and share this video with your friends and their social network. Soil investigation is a great help in deciding what type of foundation a building needs, and it will be shown in the recommendation of the engineer from an approved third-party laboratory. As you can see on this photo here, right, they excavated already and they conducted some boreholes and they took some soil samples, right, for their study. As you can see also here, that is the soil investigation. And but mostly isolated footings are commonly used in a building construction. Our video today will explain how to inspect a footing and to be approved by the engineer prior to pouring concrete. So number one, to ensure approval of drawings, the engineer shall ensure that the drawings for the footing foundation shall be approved by the consultant before conducting an inspection. This is to make sure that the installation of forms and steel bars are correct as per the approved drawing. Rework due to non-conformance can then also be avoided. Non-conformance could otherwise result in an increase of construction expenses due to rework, so you have to take care on that part, right? As a QQC engineer, you have to ensure that the footing completed by your staff, right, would be as per approved drawing. Right, so this is how you're gonna help your company as well. Number 2, check the reinforcement. Reinforcement plays a vital role in the construction of the foundation as it strengthens the concrete foundation. Bear in mind that the foundation is the element of the building that carries the structure and must maintain the integrity of the building. Right, as you can see over here in this photo, right? So make sure that the spacing, is as per the approved drawing, right? Also the lateral ties, the vertical bars, right? Okay. And number 3, concrete covers. Okay, a concrete cover is the important part of the concrete elements, especially in a foundation like this, because of its location below the ground. It is common within the water table, and the foundation is therefore prone to water penetration, like we had here. This footing over here, we did near seashore, so it's very near to the sea. That's a special case like that you have to take care, right? The concrete cover usually ranges from 60 mm to 75 mm, right, for a footing. As you can see over here, you have plastic cover, and the downside has concrete cover, right? Therefore, it is vital to ensure its required concrete cover. Okay. Number 4, dimensions of the footing. Also see to it that the footing size and dimensions are followed as per the drawing. So you have to make sure once you check your foundation, measure the dimensions, right? The X and Y dimension, the thickness, right? So the engineer should check the thickness, width, and length. Very basic. Number 5, starter bars, steel chairs if in case, right? And ties. As you can see here, you have the starter bars. This is the starter bars, okay? And stair chairs is in the bottom of this reinforcement. You have to check that, but that is in a special case, right? But on this kind of footing over here, no need of steel chairs, right? And lateral ties or ties. The inspector should make sure that the starter bars are installed as per the approved shop drawing, okay? And make sure you go back to your approved drawing. The same with the steel chairs, you know, the dimension, right? The height, which should be spaced as per the drawing. All steel reinforcements should be tied with 16 mm diameter tie wire, approved via material submittal, right? So next, cleaning and removal of unnecessary materials. The engineer should also ensure the cleanliness of the bottom of the footing and the removal of all unnecessary materials. There are many waste materials during the construction of a footing, so such as wooden cut pieces, the wires, sawdust, and plastic. These can cause honeycombs and increase the chance of the concrete being permeable, right? So to remove this unnecessary materials is you have to bring people to pick this wooden cut pieces, tie wires. You have to pick that, plastic, and sawdust. For the sawdust, you can bring compressors and use the compressors to remove the sawdust, right? Alright, so here we go. 7, approval of the municipality engineer. Before the pouring of concrete commences, the foundations should be inspected by the municipality, by the representative inspectors, right? So they are also engineers. No pouring of concrete should be done without their approval. That is very important. It's a must, right? The contractor is duly appointed by the client. The engineer shall make sure that the footing is properly constructed via approved drawings, and it shall be on his good judgment. The municipality engineer shall proceed with the inspection if it is approved by the engineer or consultant who supervises the project. The footing should have been approved first by the consultant before the footing can be inspected by the municipality inspector or engineer. If the project applies a standard procedure as laid out above for the construction of the foundation or footing, it will ensure the soundness of the work and avoid the collapsing of some of the structure or concrete elements. Ensuring that such accidents can also be avoided. Right, so my question now is, do you inspect your footings before pouring concrete? Did the municipality engineer check your footing? So share your thoughts below. Share your comment on the comment box below. If you want to know more about quality in construction, I have an online course over here. The link of the course is found in the description. Kindly check that out. Thanks a lot for your time. We love you guys. If you enjoyed watching the video, please like and click the thumbs up icon and share this info with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe. Once again, thank you.